Examview to my big campus. First thing we're going to do is have an open test. It cannot include any matching questions. If it does, this process will not work. So make sure to remove those or change the format first. We're going to export to a Blackboard 7.1. I'm going to save this on the desktop or any other location that I want to get to. I'm going to give it the name that I want it to appear in my big campus. And make sure to copy that to the directory name as well. Once I have that exported, I'm ready to go to my big campus. So the first thing we have to remember is that we don't create Schoolwork from inside Schoolwork. We're going to go to Drive to do our creation. Here's New. And Import Examview is now a separate option. So I'm going to go to Import Examview, choose File, find my location, and I put it on the desktop. There's test 1. Open it. Import. We're waiting for the importer to do the work. Once it does so, it's going to pop up with a screen allowing me to make changes to the test I just imported. And here we go. So I'm going to edit the imported assignment. So I probably don't want this to be the name that students see on here. So there's Chapter 1 test. If I want to do any changing of the questions, I can go into the edit mode and do so. If I want to reorder the questions, I can grab the reorder and switch them. And then I can go down and save whatever changes that I've made. To assign this to students, I'm going to go to Assign Now. I can assign it to a whole group, or I can assign it to select students within a group. Once I select a group, for example, I can change the start time. We have this slider bar to change the hour and minute. I can change the due date, and don't forget to check under additional options. A good additional measure for test security is to enter a password. So if I assign this to first period, I set up a different password for the first period test than I do for the second period and third period, so the students have to get that upon coming into the class. You can restrict it to the certain time limit. And again, for test security, I recommend that we turn off the show results upon completion, and certainly not to show the correct answer so that those don't get out during the day. I can then assign. And now when I go into this assignment, that's my son, we can do some additional options to edit at this point. You can mark all as excused or as missed, and we can go back and assign to additional people.